Hello guys, welcome to another video. We're out here at Target for some Hot Wheel hunting. It's crazy, it's raining, but let's go get it, let's go. Oh, I see the full pegs. Yes guys, oh my god, I see the cyber truck. 1, 2, 3 cyber trucks on one peg. Look at the pegs are full. Oh my god. Yes guys, I don't want to go all these 3, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna go with it. Yes guys, what does they have here? The Ford Performer, Honda Merc, Dora 3, Cadillac, Canada Cadillac. Oh my god, the pegs are just so full. If I go through this peg, I'm just gonna create a big mess. I don't know, it's really messy out here like this, but that's good. I'm just gonna start from the bottom. Ravel ST, Rapid Plus, Custom, that's the 4 GT, the Sushi Tune, got the Chrysler, yes guys, Alfa Romeo, Hoover Storm, we got the Sushi. Oh, it's kind of like an old case missed. I don't know who came here first, but they just selected everything and put in the front. Retroactive. Oh my god. Oh, I see the Kit Kat. The 2025 A case. Yes, A case. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting out here. We got the Audi. You got a Porsche 911. Batman Mower. Mercedes. We got a Max Steel. A case. Oh, it's kind of a mixture. A case. Let's put it here. Oh, the picks are so full. Got a Speed Bomb, BMW, and Fiat, BMW, Cadillac, Heavy Hitcher, Dustin, Hudson Martin. What do we have here? Got a Ford. Oh my god. So many Hot Wheels here. Yeah, the mess is so big. The mess is so big. That's fine. What does it have here? Got a Stu Champ, Honda Merc. Nice. I'm just gonna go with my cyber trucks. Put it here. Oh. Other Hot Wheels are kind of old Hot Wheels here. Oh, what's this? The Centro GT. That's a main line. Alfa Romeo with a QK A case. Okay, it came in the A case as well. King Quarter. Got a Lotus Coaster. Okay, guys, I don't see any treasure or super treasure in here. It looks like they've gone with everything. Let's just organize the picks and move forward. What does it have here? Oh, we got the Terra Trick Homer, 2022 Jeep, the Jeep Gladiator, and the Homer, 2018 Bentley. Oh, we got the Toyota Cruiser. I love this dark black, man. It's so amazing. Batman Forever, Batman Forever, Batman Forever. Looks like he's warming the pegs. Batman Forever 1, 2, 3. Peg warming. I guess it's just in the morning. By the end of the day, it's gonna be taken off. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put it in the car. Got a Mazda, Porsche 911, Porsche 911, Porsche 911. Porsche 911, Porsche 911, Porsche 911. Nobody wants to buy this team transport. Let's move forward. Oh, I see the beautiful rigs. Galaxy Express. See the purple? Oh, it's so cute, so amazing. We got the street Freightliner. What else do they have? Steel powder, the scrub bar drive, highway blast, and the rad rig. So amazing. Let's move forward. Oh, I see the Matchbox, Renault. Got a Renault here. I love this hauler. One. The feed car. It's called a Tesla. Tesla. Got a couple of Teslas in the back. Mobile parts. We have the Range Rover, the Chevy Blazer, the Range Rover, the Opel Mokka, and the Alfa Romeo. We already have Nissan, Volkswagen Golf, Norris Minor. Oh, that's a Porsche Cayenne, the red one. Another Porsche Cayenne, Norris. See Nissan Tower in the back. Okay, guys. Oh, and I see another Chevy. We bought this already. I love this Chevy. We bought this already. We have this in the collection. They got a couple of Fast and Furious here. Fast and Furious. Oh, Jeep Gladiator. Got a Chevy Cobra in the back, the black one. Let me see. Got the details. I love the red lining on it. Spider-Man. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like, share, subscribe. I got some of the Hot Wheel skateboard here, and the Monster Jam trucks. So please like, share, subscribe to our channel. If you not subscribe to our channel, above all, you know we love you. Oh, see this Porsche 11 Turbo. Oh, I'm a Porsche guy. I'm tempted to buy this, but now I'm good on the Porsches. Okay, guys, I'll go home with our Teslas. Okay, I just changed my mind. I'm gonna drop one back. Oh, I'm gonna drop one Tesla for the lucky person who comes. Ta-da! We are now inside Dollar General. What do they have going on here? The El Camino or GKs. If it's a G case, then it's not a super, or it's a G case again. G case. My God, let's go digging. The mud rod. This is like the edge case, speed dozer, king quarter. Got the Audi here. Just gonna rush through this. So it's kind of an old case, we've seen it already. The black Tesla Model Y. Got a Jaguar here. I used to love the Jaguar, great casting. It's a double. Oof, we got a BMW G case. Found this treasure hunt of the spot treasure of the G case last time. The Mustache. Eslondo Coupe. Terra Tricker. Another BMW. Volkswagen STP. Mazda Bigfoot. HW Bowling. I love this Audi. Audi RS. Oh my God. Hurry Ford Transit. This is the NK Super. Sorry, this is the NK's Treasure Hunt. The flat delivery. Oh, I see the mint card. So amazing. Brings me memories of the old memories. Oh, Volkswagen G HK's main line. Yep. Guess we have no luck here. Got a Mazda. McLean Solo. I see I have some fade here. Trust me, guys. I see I have some fade. Okay. Some Justin Gary. That's all for now. Got some Matchbox here. Yep. Really nothing new. Also, they got a sheeper. Let's check the sheeper. Oh, they got a Chevy. Oh my God. Oh, it's the main line. The Audi. We found the Super already, so that's fine. We can't really cry about that. Got a Mazda, the custom auto. Glory Chaser. Okay guys, thanks for watching.